Low light, silk tone, steady breath. I don't rush what respects me best. Every move pre-approved by time. What's a line? Don't ask, it arrives. I don't speak from want or lack. I speak from facts I already have. Pressure shaped me clean and clear. Nothing missing when I'm here. I don't pray from my knees anymore. I stand and things respond. I decide, I arrive. Every step rearranges life. I don't wait for doors to show. They open when they feel my flow. Money hears my frequency. Peace and power stay with me. What I name begins to move. I decide, and it's already true. Midnight calm, heavy crown. I don't chase, I shift the ground. What I touch multiplies clean. I don't wish I intervened. I've been quiet, I've been kind. Now I'm precise with my time. Everything I say holds weight. Words don't flow, they activate. I don't wait to be confirmed. I confirm my self-return. I decide, I arrive. Every room bends when I slide. I don't ask to be let through. I belong and they know it too. Health aligns with what I say. Wealth adjusts and finds its way. What I name begins to move. I decide, and it's already true. No resistance. I am backed by alignment, funded by consistency, protected by clarity. What's meant for me moves now. I decide, I arrive. Everything responds in time. I don't wait for proof to show. I am proof, I make it so. Pass unlocked, timing smooth. Every word I speak comes through. What I name begins to move. I decide, and it's already